Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I got my passion Nubian twist, so keep it locked and don't go anywhere. This flight is arriving on time. So catch her on the runway. So I started out with 7 packs of this beautiful passion twist crochet hair. I will leave the link in my description box if you guys want to purchase this hair. Make sure you go look for that in my description. Just starting off with freshly washed hair, moisturizing, sealing my ends, getting some coconut oil in my scalp. That is the first thing before I start any protective style. Then what I'm doing here, sectioning off the hair and braiding it up. The parts don't have to be perfect. Do what you can, especially when you're in the back. It really doesn't matter. Nobody sees it. Just take your time, work your way up to the top of the hair. You'll be okay. You got this. This is a close-up to show you that I am stacking the parts like bricks, okay? One between the other, not all in the same row or in the same line. That's major key. Once you're halfway there, I like to go back into my braids and seal everything back up with a little bit more moisture. It goes a long way. Halfway done, half the battle. Pay attention to these next few clips very carefully. I'm showing you a close-up in detail. Me parting the hair and then gather the hair together to just check and make sure the sizing is correct, and then you're using the same size for each section. That's an easy way to check. Just gather the hair. Of course, I'm going in with more moisture. Be delicate on the edges. And then just start parting and braiding. Once you get this base down, you'll be good to go from here. This is the best feeling in the world when you are literally halfway through this protective style. Enjoy it, celebrate it. Go back in there, get that scalp moisturized, get that coconut oil in there. Give your hair the nutrients and love that it deserves. Now what I did here is I just braided the hair up into 2 big braids, and then I came back the next day to finish. You don't have to finish this all in one day. Do not kill yourself trying to finish this. It can take a long time. This was the very next day. I had my Passion Nubian Twist hair, and they already come pre-separated. Again, that link will be in my description box if you want to purchase it. Just pull out about 2 strands for this size of parting that I did. That's all I needed. And watch carefully for the full details of these next clips of how I'm using my crochet needle to get each of these locked in, and I'm using 2 locked in at a time on the latch. So I put 2 of the strands of the twist in the latch, and then I just pull it through the braid. Very easy. I'm gonna slow it down here so you guys can see it again. Hook the 2 strands of hair, close the needle latch, pull it through, and then just pull one side out. Hold on to the other side, and then begin to twist. Now you can twist from the roots and make your way down. You're going to make sure that it's a twist within a twist, and if you keep watching, I'm going to show you guys a slow down version of exactly what I'm doing with my fingers when I mean twist within a twist. Stay tuned. Okay, this is the part. Pay attention. Twist within a twist. Twist within a twist. Twist within a twist. So you're pretty much twisting each of the 2 pieces of hair that you have. You're twisting them by themselves before you twist them around each other. Twist within a twist. Twist, then bring it around. Let's see it one more time. Twist within a twist. Once you get that rhythm going, then you can go down, you can start moving faster. Almost done. As you can see, they look bomb so far. This is 18 inches, and it was right under my boobs. Right, it stops right above my booty on the 18-inch hair. So you can get it short, long, whatever length you prefer. At this point, I only used 5 packs out of the 7 packs of hair, so I had a lot of extra hair left over. So if you have a smaller head like me, you won't need to use that many packs. I only used 5. Here's another view. I'm putting my crochet needle in, hooking on 2 pieces of that Passion Nubian Twist hair, pull it through, and then pull one side out. Make sure that it's even before you start twisting, and then you do your twist within a twist, twist within a twist. There you go, guys. I am finito. Okay, honey, I was loving it. Loving it. These will stay in my hair for about a month, and I'm good to go. Stay tuned for the final look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.